Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add link to Snapchat, and you have to follow these very simple easy steps which I will be guiding you through the video. Let us begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Firstly, you have to open the Snapchat and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon. As we all know that Snapchat has removed the option of adding link on profile. So instead what we can do is post our link on story. So I will show the step to do it. Go to my story, select camera roll. To add link, we have to select desired photos or videos as per the content of our link so that the viewer have quick and easy idea about the link. Now tap onto the link icon and paste the link in type or search URL bar and hit go. Press and attach to Snap. Then you can see the desired link on your screen. You can edit any way you like. You can place it up and down, tilt it, rotate it as per your wish. Then you can hit the send button down below. Now you have added the link on your story successfully. I hope you found this video helpful, and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.